In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock the American version of Netflix and get access to thousands of additional TV shows and movies from anywhere in the world. And at the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you guys a before and after comparison and even play a little bit of American Netflix in real time, just so you guys can see that this method is 100% working. And in addition to that, I'm also going to go ahead and connect to the American version on my iPhone following these same methods so you can stream to your heart's content on the go. Let's get started. So when it comes to unblocking the American version of Netflix, one of the best, safest, and fastest ways on how to do this is to utilize a VPN. And essentially what this does is it replaces your current location and changes it with one in America, so you're able to bypass those geo-blocked restrictions. So as for the VPN that I personally use, I've been using Surfshark VPN for several months now. They're really fast and they're also really secure, and they do a fantastic job at allowing users to bypass the geo-blocked restrictions. And if you're looking to get started with Surfshark VPN, I actually do have a massive 83% discount link down below in the video description if you're looking to get started with them. Okay guys, so I'm going to go back to my Netflix account, and at the moment my location is here in Australia, and this means I'm missing out on thousands and thousands of TV shows and movies. So just to show you guys a quick example of this, I'm just going to go ahead and search for the Marvel Universe movies and also the TV shows as well. So as you can see, I'm missing out on such movies as Avengers, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Black Panther, and the list pretty much does go on. So what I'm going to do now is actually go ahead and connect to an American-based server using the Surfshark VPN, and this will only take a couple of moments. So pretty much all I have to do is go ahead, open up the desktop app, and I can just go ahead and search for the United States. I'll go ahead and click on that location, and this will automatically connect me to the fastest server in the US. So this means I can stream with no issues or buffering or quality issues at all. So as you can see, I'm now connected to a server in San Francisco, and this is also highlighted in green, and this just notifies me that my entire laptop, including all of my browsers, is now connected. So all I have to do now is navigate back to my Netflix homepage. I'll go ahead and refresh the browser, and this will then put me onto the American-based version of Netflix. So again, I'm going to go ahead and search for those same titles. So I'll go ahead and search for Marvel. So as you can see guys, we now have several Marvel movies available from Avengers, Infinity War, Black Panther, Ant-Man and the Wasp. And if we scroll down, we also have some additional TV shows and movies that didn't show up in our original search, such as Hulk, Batman Begins, and the list pretty much does go on. So what I'm going to do now is actually go ahead and play a little bit of one of these movies in real time, as I really want to show you guys that this method is actually 100% working, and also show you some indication of speeds and performance as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one and just play it out in real time with no edits whatsoever. And from my own experience, it typically does take around 10 to 15, if not 20 seconds to get started. But once it does, there's pretty much no issues with buffering or stuttering whatsoever. So again, I'll just let this play out in real time, as I really want to show you guys a real world kind of indication of what it's like to use a VPN. So as you can see, that did take around 20 seconds to get started, and this is also streaming in high definition. So there you have it guys, that's a really quick, awesome and fast way on how you can access the American version of Netflix. And again, if you are looking to get started with Surfshark VPN, don't forget to check out the massive discount link down below in the video description. So quickly, just before you go guys, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the Surfshark VPN app for iPhone devices, and this will also work the same for Android. So I'm just going to go ahead and make myself a little bit bigger here, and I've already gone ahead and downloaded the Surfshark VPN app onto my phone. Now once I'm here, I can just go ahead and select on the United States, and much like the desktop version, this will go ahead and connect me to the fastest server. And just as a side note, when it comes to using Surfshark, you can actually connect an unlimited amount of devices on the single account. So you're more than welcome to share your account with friends or family members and pretty much use it across all of your devices. So now I'm connected to an American-based server. I can go back into my Netflix account, and now I can go ahead and search for Marvel. Let's go ahead and do that one. And this will just take a little bit to load. If I just search that one. And as you can see, guys, we have the exact same titles on the iPhone device as well. So there you have it, guys. That's a really awesome way on how you can unblock the American version of Netflix in 2020. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If you've got any queries, questions, or issues with accessing geo-blocked content on Netflix, feel free to comment down below and I'll be more than welcome to help you out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.